A very good afternoon, students. Today we will start new chapter, that is formulas and functions. So formulas are used to perform calculation involving addition, subtraction, division and multiplication. And functions are the predefined or inbuilt formulas that come with Excel. Fine. A formula establishes a relationship between two or more cells. It is an expression that can include cell addresses, numbers, arithmetic operations. Okay, so it is used to perform simple as well as complex calculation. So the first thing you must know is a formula must begin with an equal to sign, and these are few elements of formulas. First one is references. A cell or a range of cell that you want to include in your calculation is called as references. Next is operators, symbols like plus, minus, into, percentage, hash, etc. that specify the operation to be performed are known as operator. Next is constants, numbers or text values that do not change. So the numbers and text that do not change its value is known as constants. Okay, and next is functions. Predefined formulas in Excel is known as function. Fine. So with the help of this particular formula and function, I will show you various things. Okay, so the number 5 is the constant which will never change, and this is the equal to symbol, and the whole thing is cell address, and E3 to E5 is the cell range. Okay, and sum is the function, and plus and into and minus is the mathematical operators. So this is how all the elements of formula look like. Fine. So now we will talk about creating a basic formula. So a basic formula involves only one type of operator in it. Okay, it does not contain many operators. You can use only one. Fine. So here I have made one table in which various months are there and its sale. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to find the total sale, okay, of all these months from January to May. Okay, so that means we have to add the following all these numbers. Okay, so first what we will do, you all know that we have to start any formula with a equal to sign. So first of all we will select a particular cell where we want to do the addition or sum of these numbers. Fine. So first of all we will press equal to, then the cell name. This is C8, this is C9, C10, C11 and C12. So and the operator is plus. Okay, so first of all we will type the name of cell. Okay, C8 plus C9 plus C10 plus C11 plus C12. You can see all the numbers, all the cells that we have selected are in different colors. Okay, here you can see the boundary of this color is blue and it is written C8, and here green and it is written in green. Okay, so we have selected all the cells and this particular thing, all these cells in combine are called range. Okay, after that we have put the formula. What we will do, we will press enter, and the total of these month's sale is entered in the last one box, that is C13. Okay, next is using compound formula. So compound formulas are used when more than one operators is required to perform calculation. So we will just calculate the simple interest by using the formula equal to P into R into T upon 100. P stands for principal, R for rate, and T for time. Fine. You all must know this simple formula of simple interest. Okay. So here we will get the answer. So what we have to do is we have to select range. First of all, we will write equal to. Okay, then this cell name is C8 and sign of into. Okay, C9, again 1 into, C10 upon is slash 100, and after that we will press enter key. So this is the answer of these. Okay, this is the simple interest that we have got through this formula. Okay, and when you will click on this particular cell where the simple interest is calculated, the formula will be visible on the formula bar. See here, you can see, but here you will not see the formula, you will see only answer. Fine. Next is using formula on text. We can also perform addition on characters and strings data type. Except for addition, other operations like subtraction, multiplication and division etc. are not allowed on the string data type. Only addition is allowed. Okay, so the ampersand is this and sign. Okay, wait, this and sign, this is called ampersand symbol. Okay, you will use this symbol to perform addition. Addition of two or more text values is called concatenation. Okay, so now I will tell you how you can add two or more text. Okay, so here I have written computer, in B8 I have written computer, in C8 I have written note, and in D8 I have written book. So in the F8 cell I want its addition. So first of all what we will do, we will press equal to key, then I will write the name of this cell. Okay, and then that and sign, that is also known as ampersand, and then I will enter this cell, or you can simply enter that also. Okay, and again that ampersand sign, and this cell. Okay, see, B8, C8 and D8 are entered in this cell, and after that I will press enter. So here it is added and it is written computer notebook